Feed yourself. Uy, very good naman, Ethan. You know how to use the spoon na? Very good naman yan. Oh. Don't let the food spill out of the plate. Use the fork. Use the fork to gather your food.
But Daddy, I don't really know how to use the fork. I'm almost finished.
Oh, very good. You must learn how to feed yourself because you're big now. You must be independent. Oh, very good.
Dada,
very good.
Dada, can I eat the egg na lang?
Finish the egg.
Yay!
You like it, Ethan?
Huh?
So if you eat many, Daddy, Lola, and Tita Camille very happy. We are very happy if you eat many. You and Ate, oh. Very good naman yan. Very good.
Daddy, I finished na ako.
Very good.
My food now finished.
You're getting full na. I want Daddy feed you.